Barn swallows imprint on a location, on a geolocation. So wherever they are born, they will return, wherever they hatch, they'll return every year and build a nest and poop everywhere. It's disgusting. And you can't once the nest is occupied, it's illegal for you because they're considered migratory birds. So you can't chase them away after the fact. So when they reached out to me about this, I thought, you know, do a little reading. Meanwhile, simple genius. I like simple genius. So if you get an issue with birds nesting, we're on our new porch, and we are eventually going to have problems with birds nesting. Although I'm going to do everything I can to prevent that. And one of those deterrents that I think is actually going to work out really well. This bird deterrent system has 4 different solutions. Solution number 1 is just so maybe there's 3 ways. Regardless, that kind of freaks the birds out. That doesn't obstruct your view too bad. When you get the streamers, it looks like you're ready for a bird party. It does indeed. Birds can take their party somewhere else. All right. I like it, and I know you will too. Moving right along.